Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to online classes. This is day 2. Today we have to start from chapter 6. And chapter 6 is algebraic fraction and formula. Now you come on page 161. This is chapter 6 and topic is algebraic fraction and formula. These are the learning objective of this chapter. We should be able to multiply and divide simple algebraic fraction, add and subtract algebraic fractions with linear and quadratic denominator. Linear mean variable which have power 1 and quadratic mean the variable which have least power 2 and the variable is which have least power 1. Okay, their denominator is linear or quadratic. Okay, now next one is change the subject of a formula. We use different formulas to solve this algebraic expression. Find the value of an unknown in a formula. Got it? Now you come on next page. Okay, today topic is algebraic fraction. First I tell you about algebraic fraction. First I tell you about the algebraic expression, then you will easily understand about algebraic fraction. To understand algebraic fraction, firstly I tell you about the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Okay students, we have learned in previous chapter about algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is where constants and variables are combined together with basic operation just like plus, minus, multiply and divide. We also use bracket to explain algebraic expressions just like 2a plus 3c minus 4d. Got it? This is called algebraic expression. Here 2 is the coefficient of a, 3 is the coefficient of c and minus 4 is the coefficient of d. We also write plus 21 and 21 is a simple constant and this is called algebraic expression. Here a, c, d is variable and these are the basic operation plus and minus. We also use bracket just like minus 2a plus 4b minus 2a plus 4b minus 5c. This is a curly bracket. We also use brackets to explain algebraic expression. Got it? Now you come on algebraic fraction. Fraction means the value which have both numerator and denominator. Got it? So just like this is value 7 by 8. Upper value is called numerator and the lowest value is called denominator. Okay, upper value is called numerator and lowest value is called denominator. If there is an algebraic expression in numerator and denominator just like 4a minus 3c 5x square minus 4y plus z. Okay, this is algebraic expression and this is also the algebraic expression. Now this fraction in the form of algebraic fraction because there is algebraic expression and there is also algebraic expression. In numerator and denominator both exist an algebraic expression, that why this is called algebraic fraction. Okay, in numerator and denominator if there is an algebraic expression then we call this is algebraic fraction. Algebraic fraction. We take another example 4c plus 9 divided by 6 L square plus 9m. This is also called algebraic fraction because there is algebraic expression in numerator and there is also algebraic expression in denominators. That's why this is also called algebraic fraction. Got it? Any problem? After this, now you come on exercise 6a. Okay class, this is exercise 6a, question number 1, basic level. Question number 1 statement is simplify each of the following. Here there are 1 to f sums, there are 6 sums. Now we solve one by one. The first sum is 4x power 4 divided by 12x power 5y. Okay, now you start from first part, question number 1, basic level. Question number 1, first part, simplify each of the following. X power 4 divide 12 x power 5 and simple y. Okay, this is algebraic expression and this is also algebraic expression because there is constant, there is power and there is variable. Got it? And this is also, that's why this is called algebraic fraction, because in numerator and denominator there are both algebraic expression. First you write solution. Okay, 4 and put equal sign, and there is power 4. Okay, x have power 4, that's why we are 4 power with x, it's mean x is 4 time. We write x into x into x into x. Now in denominator there is 12 as it is, and x power is 5, it's mean x is 5 time, and there is no power with y, it's mean there is one power. Okay, x is 5 times, just like x into x into x into x into x, and y is as it is. Now we cancel constant with constant and variable with variables, just like 4 1 the 4 and 4 3 the 12. What are the constants? 1 by 3 remaining constant. Now we cancel to variable, just like x cancel with x, x cancel with x, x cancel with x, and x cancel with x. In numerator there is no variable after cancellation, but in denominator we have x and y only, and we written x and y. What is the answer? 1 by 3 x and y. After this, now you come on next question. Next